This is Yasmeen and I welcome you to Hyderabadwala.com. Today I'll show you how to make cauliflower or Gobi 65. Add boiling water to 200 grams washed cauliflowers. Blanch these florets for about 20 minutes. Strain the water and keep aside. Add 4 tablespoons cornflour to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour or maida. Add 1 whole egg. 1 tablespoon curd. Half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Half to 1/4 teaspoon salt as per the taste. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Half teaspoon cumin or Zeera powder. This is optional. Instead, you can either add spices or garam masala powder, or you can add 1 tablespoon soya sauce. Add few pinches red food color, and this is optional. Gradually add water and blend into a medium consistency batter. Add oil for frying, and when the oil is hot, dip each floret into the batter. Coat well and lower into the hot oil. Fry on medium to low flame on both sides for about 5 to 10 minutes. Remove from the pan and keep aside. To another pan, add 3 tablespoons oil. You can take from the oil which we have used for frying the florets. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Let's splutter. Add 2 teaspoons thinly diced garlic. 1 teaspoon thinly diced ginger. Add half cup curry leaves. Add 5 to 6 whole green chilies slit vertically and de-seeded. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Add 1/2 tablespoon red chili sauce. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon red chili powder. Add 2 tablespoons water to 1 tablespoon curd. Blend or mix well and add this to the pan. Add few pinches red food color, which is optional. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar. Stir fry and add fried florets. Mix well. Dish out and garnish with chopped coriander. Gobi 65 is ready. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment and like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.